Start by sitting in a comfortable position. Straighten your back, tighten your feet firmly on the floor, and imagine a string pulling your head up straight toward the ceiling. Now just take a few deep breaths in and out, feeling your breath as it enters your body and as it leaves your body, using your breath to transition you from wherever you were a few minutes ago to where you are right now in this moment. You're going to practice something called equal breaths. We will start by breathing in for 4 seconds, pausing, and then breathing out for 4 seconds. If possible, try breathing in through your nose, filling up your belly with air rather than your chest. Let's try it. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to try to change the inhalations and exhalations to a count of 5. Whenever you're ready, join me. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now continue to breathe in and out at your own pace. If equal breaths was difficult for you, remember, this is all just practice. Continue to breathe in full deep breaths, and with each breath out, let your body become heavy, sinking deeper into your chair. Now bring your attention to your head, bringing your attention to your scalp, forehead, and temples. Observe your eyes, your cheeks, ears, jaw, and chin. You might notice tingling or tension, throbbing or soft vibrations. With your next breath in, soften the muscles in your head and in your face. Now lower your focus to your neck, letting the throat and sides and back of the neck soften. If you notice any tension, see if you can allow it to gently relax. Now bring your attention to the shoulders, noticing what's here. Whatever you observe is perfectly fine. Bring your attention to your arms, extending your awareness down towards the wrists, palms, and your fingers. Notice a sensation on your skin or deeper within. Now bring your attention to your chest and your torso, noticing your lungs expand and contract, feeling whatever is here and letting it be. Now move your focus around to your abdomen. Exhale, slowly emptying. Inhale, filling it with air. Now bring your attention to your back. If you notice any intensity, try directing the breath into those areas, allowing them to soften. Begin to scan the top of your legs, Bringing your attention to the top of your thighs, noticing any tension or sensations you may have in this area. Now lower your awareness to your knees, your shins, your calves. Exhaling and relaxing into stillness. When you're ready, direct your attention to your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Noticing what it feels like to direct attention to the entire length of your body. Now bring your attention back to your breath. As you breathe in, say in your mind. And as you breathe out, silently say the word out. Allowing your breath to be natural and easy. Now focus your attention on your heart center and begin to think of someone who you love or who you admire. Perhaps someone who has helped you emotionally, physically, financially. Perhaps someone who has inspired you. Bring a strong picture of them into your mind's eye and repeat the following phrases silently in your head with me. May you be happy. May you be loved. And may you be kind. Now direct your attention to an acquaintance. Maybe it's someone that you see in the hallway. Maybe it's a neighbor, a friend who you see occasionally. And with a strong picture of them in your mind, repeat the following phrases silently in your head. May you be happy. May you be loved. May you be kind. Now direct your attention to someone you dislike. Maybe it's someone who has hurt you, who has said things that you do not like, has offended you, or someone that you care about. And as hard as it may be, and to the best of your ability, bring a picture of them into your mind and repeat the following phrases silently in your head. May you be happy. May you be loved. May you be kind. Now bring an image of our entire world into your mind and repeat the following phrases to all the people that live on this earth. May you be happy. May you be loved. May you be kind. And now, direct your attention toward yourself. With the strong image of yourself in your mind, bring a smile to your face and repeat the following phrases silently in your head. May I be happy. May I be loved. May I be kind. Slowly direct your attention back to your surroundings. If your eyes were closed, you can open them. Focus your attention on the objects around you and take this feeling throughout your day.